At some point in your career, you're selling something. You're selling an idea, you're selling a product, or you're even selling a service. Now, whether you've been in sales for a long time or you've never sold, the key to enrolling someone in that idea, that product, or even that service, it's easy. When you understand what's going on underneath and how to engage them. When my clients learn about human wiring when having a sales conversation, they're relieved to hear that selling isn't about persuading somebody to buy something they don't want. It's not about forcing someone to change their mind. It's also not saying certain things in an order to force an outcome. Yet these are the very beliefs people have on their mind when they're trying to sell something, whether that's an idea, whether that's a product, or whether that's a service. Now, sales is about honoring the other person, and the highest form of honoring the other person is finding out what they want and delivering communication in the way they want to receive it. One of my clients had been in sales for many, many years, but was new to her understanding about human wiring. She understood that she was energized by face-to-face interaction, and she really exuded the energy and was that go-to fun maker. Right? Naturally, she loved the social aspects of her position, and she excelled at motivating others in participating in projects. However, there was one manager that she had difficulty with enrolling and in becoming a part of a special projects group. Now, while she knew this manager for a long time and she liked her, the manager at times occurred to her as someone who dismissed her ideas and was abrupt in their communication. Now, when I asked my client how she would invite this manager to participate on the task force, my client responded with her natural impulse. Well, I'm going to enroll her as I would like to be enrolled. She said that she was going to engage the manager by sharing how fun it was going to be to be in part of the task force and explain what a great experience it was going to be for the manager. Now, before my client could, further explain her approach, I invited her to consider another way. When someone describes someone and how they experience the other person, it often can be attributed rather to an element in human wiring, and an element of human wiring that's actually the opposite. So I asked her to engage the manager by finding out what was important to the manager, first of all, and participating in the task force, or even if they wanted to, and participate. And I also suggested that she focus on the results that the manager wanted to get out of her participation in the task force. Well, the next day, my phone rings and my client's thrilled that she successfully engaged her manager in participating in this task force with ease. See, in the moment of enrolling her manager, she realized that she was focused on delivering communication the way the manager needed to receive it, like asking the manager what was important to her and focusing on the results the manager wanted. It was easy to enroll the manager, in participating in the task force after that. See, engaging someone in an idea, a product, or a service is simple if you find out what's important to them and deliver the communication in the way they need to receive it. And when you do that, it's the highest form of honoring that other person. Now, if you're wanting to transform your results in business and in life, I invite you to our upcoming Wired to Win, How Are You Hardwired master course, and more information is on the link below. Until next time, create a great life. Bye now.